Tired of bots from certain countries flooding your site, wasting your bandwidth, or triggering security alerts? You don't need to be a developer or touch a single line of code to stop it. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to block an entire country from accessing your website using Cloudflare. And the best part? It is just one simple rule. I will walk you through every single click inside your Cloudflare dashboard. There's no guesswork, no confusing jargon. Just follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you will have a custom security rule live, blocking unwanted traffic instantly. So let us get started. First things first, open up your browser and log into your Cloudflare account. Go ahead and type in your credentials and get signed in. Once you are in, you will see all of your websites listed on the main dashboard. Now, choose the domain you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, just look for the one that is getting that annoying traffic and click on its name. Alright, so now you are inside your domain settings. On the left side of your screen, you will see a vertical menu. Go ahead and click on the button that says Security. This is where all the protective features live. Now that you are inside the Security section, look for the option that says Security Rules. Click on that. This is the area where you can create rules to block or challenge visitors based on specific conditions. You are doing great. Right now, you should see a button that says Create Rule. Click on that to start building your new security rule. And here is the important part. After you click Create Rule, a new window or section will pop up. Make sure you select the option that says Custom Rules. Do not choose any of the other preset options. Custom Rules is what gives you full control over what gets blocked and why. Now we are going to set up the rule. First, give your rule a descriptive name. I recommend something like block traffic from Russia, or whatever country you are targeting. Just make it clear so you can remember what it does later. Next, we need to tell Cloudflare what to look for. In the Field drop-down menu, look for the option that says Country. Click on it. This tells the rule to check where a visitor is coming from geographically. Now, this is where you choose the specific country. In the Value dropdown, you will see a long list of countries. Scroll through and find the one you want to block. Click on it to select it. And now for the action. Look for the area that says Action and change it from whatever the default is to Block. This is what tells Cloudflare to deny access to anyone coming from that country. So we have named the rule, chosen the country, and set the action to Block. All that is left to do is make it live. Click the blue Deploy button. Give it just a moment to process, and there you go. Your rule is now active. Any traffic coming from that specific country will be blocked instantly. You have gone from being vulnerable and frustrated to having a clean, manageable solution in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials. I will see you in the next one.